Wait. Oh, God, nearly went then. Morning, it's Wednesday the 13th of August. I've just pulled up at Sherwood Pines and I brought my mountain bike. I'm going to do a bit of mountain biking this morning. I've not done this for a while, so I'm really looking forward to it. You know, I'm not a mountain biker by any stretch of the imagination, but I've done this a few times. I'm going to go on the Red Route, which I think is the most difficult one, but I've done that a few times as well, so I should be okay in it. All right, let's go then. Straight into it. The Outlaw Trail is a 13km 8-mile red route. It's probably not the most demanding of res compared to other red routes around the country. However, it is really good fun and it is noted for keeping you flowing with the berms and the rollers. It has a nice mix of rocks and roots that give the trail its grading. Right, so this bit is called the Flying Pig, section 2, just after car park. Just going through a little section of woodland. Right, what are we on? Section 5. So over the top. Right, here we go. Over the top. Oh. Yeah, there's another rock drop. I'm going to go around that, I'm afraid. Yeah, I know, chicken. Yeah, I don't really have the confidence to do those drops, I'm afraid, or skill set. So I'm going to keep to what I feel comfortable with. Well, I've just pulled over. I've done about 7 kilometres so far, so I'm just having a little breather. I've not had anybody go past me yet, although I'm sure there will be in a minute. But if this was a weekend, I would have had to pull over several times and let the faster riders, the better riders go past me. But fingers crossed, that's not happened yet. But I think I'm about halfway and I'm already dripping with sweat. So this is much more, you know, if you're a road cyclist, you think, oh, it's dead easy. Honestly, absolutely dripping. But it's brilliant, I'm really, really enjoying it. Look at that scenery though, beautiful. Right. Alright, we're going into number 10. Not down this street. It's a nice bit. Whoa. Each of these sections has got its own little challenges. Needs a different sort of skill set. This is very, very bumpy. Whoa. Whoa. Lots of stones and to navigate on this one. Section 10. I'm not sure what it's called actually. Well, this is where dual suspension could have helped out in certain areas. Whee! Because they're getting a pounding, that's for sure. This is section 12, called Dog Soldiers. Section 13 now. Not sure what this one's called. Whee! Whoa. Whee! Too slow. Need to take those faster, really. Section 14, the Western Front. Let's see what this has to offer. Whoa. Whee. Whee. left and right banks. Section 16, Tornado Alley. Great. So we're just coming to a wider section now, so this must be where the red run merges with other routes. 20, marching, not fighting. Oh, this is nice. Number 22, 5th Avenue now. Oh God, nearly went then. Oh God. Alright, make sure focus on this. So the red route seems to have joined up with other routes again, so whether it stays together and to the end or peels off again, I don't know, I can't remember. Peeling off again. Here we go. Ooh, look at this setting though, it's absolutely beautiful. Yeah, there's the Go 8 climbing frames and stuff. Well, I've just got back from doing the red run at Sherwood Pines, and like an idiot I forgot to reset the Strava when I stopped it halfway around. So never mind, but you know, it was really good, it was fantastic. It's great to be back doing mountain biking. There was not one person who was following me. Normally if that was a weekend I'd be pulling over, letting the faster riders pass me. Feel a lot of pressure, you can hear them coming towards you, you think I better get out of the way and find a little lay-by and get off the route. But nobody, not the whole time, so I felt quite relaxed doing it. I really enjoyed that. I've no idea how far that was. I think probably between 11 and 14 kilometres, but it doesn't matter, it was just really enjoyable. I can look that up and put it on the screen. But yeah, so thanks for watching if you watched it this far. So if you like that video, please like, subscribe and comment, and until next time, thank you very much.